social science class. In this video, we are going to learn about the climate of India. So let's get inside the topic. So, you all know that our lifestyle depends on the climate of the place we live because we face different climate condition in different places, right? Some places we feel it's very hot temperature, whereas in some it's very cold, and in some places we get heavy rainfall throughout the year, or else most of the times in a year, whereas in some places there is no rainfall for a year. Okay, so all the factors are decided by the climate of the place. So it can be a vegetation, or it can be a crop irrigation, or so it differs. Okay, in cold temperature or in cold places, according to that the lifestyle of the people and the food habits and the dressing will be different. Whereas in the hot places, in the places which are very hot, according to that the lifestyle will be different, the food habits will be different, their houses and their dressing style will be different. Okay, so all these factors are being decided based on the climate of the place. And you all know that there are three main seasons in India. One is summer, and another one is winter, and another one is monsoon. So we are going to first see the summer. So you all know summer in India begins in April. Actually it starts in March. It will start in March, but it will be visibly experienced in April, and it extends till mid of June. Okay, so during summer the day becomes longer, whereas the nights are very short. Comparing to the night, the day is very longer, and the temperature, if you see it will keep on increasing. It is not like it will be increased at one point and it will come down. No, it is not like that. During summer it will start slowly, but it will be keep on increasing to the highest peak. It will never come down. The slope goes high only, it never comes down, right? And it continuously the temperature will keep on increasing continuously. And during summer season, the hot winds called Lu blow during the daytime, as well as the dust storm. You can also see visibly in the desert region during the summer time. Okay, so these are a common you can naturally and commonly you can see the dust storm mostly in the desert area, not in other places, but you can see mostly in desert area, right? And also the northern plains, if you see in northern plains, you can see the heavy wind and hailstorms, sometimes snapper, due to the increase in temperature. And in coastal plains, mostly you can see it is not so hot because of the cold breeze from the sea. Okay, so it tries to reduce the temperature. It tries to maintain moderate temperature. So that's why in coastal plain area you won't see it's not so hot comparing to the northern plains. Okay, and also weather is cool in the hilly region mostly. That's why you can see during summer holidays mostly we have there is the schools will be closed. So we can see most of the people try to go to hill areas, because as the temperature will reduce, will falls with increase in height above the sea level. So that's why in the hill places you can feel that chill moisture, the chill air, you can see that, and it will not be so hot. Okay, so that's why during summer holidays it's people, most of the people visit the hill places, and they try to go to the areas that are covered with mountains. Okay, fine. So this is what about summer. So you all know about that, right? Now we'll go for monsoon season. So how the monsoon season, and when does it start? So this monsoon, we call it as a rainy season. So it mostly it starts in June, and it covers by July. It will start in coastal area by June, and by July it covers all the part of most of the part of our country. Okay, so most part of India, mainly the western part, the eastern and the northeastern state, receives heavy rainfall. So if you go to the mostly the northeastern side, they get heavy rainfall, and during this monsoon season. And so when I say monsoon season, you all know that. So it's mostly, it is all about the temperature will be not so high, like not like summer. So sometimes it will be moderate, as well as sometimes it will be very cold also. And also this monsoon season always brings joy to farmers, because it helps in crop cultivation, and for the betterment of the crops. So it is also farmers enjoys a lot, because it helps in the growth of agriculture. Okay, so that is a one main and important positive point for during the monsoon season. So it has been enjoyed greatly by farmers of a country. Now we will come for winter. So winter, you all know that it always starts from like mid of November to the mid of February. So from mid November to mid February we have winter season. The whole of North India is in the grip of winter, and during winter season it's opposite to summer. That is, we have short days daytime and long night time. So our night time will be prolonged comparing to the day. And this time, the when the sun rays don't this is the time, that is, this winter season is a time where the sun rays don't strike the region directly because of the movement of the earth. So that's why we don't get much daylight. We have mostly the night, the prolonged night. And also that's why we don't have that, the temperature is very low. Okay, it's not so high. So these are the reason. And also the cold wind comes from the mountain to the northern plains. So if you see that during summer the northern plains are high in temperature, at the same time during winter it goes to the freezing point. Okay, so because of the cool wind that the breeze comes from the mountain. Okay, during winter mostly you can see the mountains will be covered with snow, like mostly if you see in the Himalayan mountain, it will be covered with snow. So what happened, that wind, the cold wind from that area, it blows from there towards the northern plains. So that's why most of the northern parts during the winter, it will be like it will go also to minus degrees also. So that's how the cool it will be. Okay, so the northern plain mostly they experience a high temperature during summer, as well as a very low temperature during winter also. Whereas South India, we don't experience much winter. We experience only very mild winter. We don't experience like how the North Indian people are experiencing. We don't experience like that. We experience only not that much, but very a mild winter. Okay, so that's why we can you can see during winter time we don't see like we don't see snows and all over here. Okay, so it's cold, but not like that which North Indian people are facing. Okay, and last one is spring. So you all know spring is one of the beautiful season out of all the remaining one. And this spring season always starts during the month of February and March. And this season is very pleasant weather for people to enjoy outdoor also. So this is a season where you can see most of the people go for outdoor, because it is a season where you can see the flowers blooms, and you can see beautiful beautiful places during this season. So it is one of the best season to go outdoor along with the family members. Okay, so these are the seasons. So in our country, so summer, winter, monsoon, and spring. I hope that this video helped you to know about the basic season of our country. Fine, we'll meet you all in the next video. Thank you.